Right, welcome back. It's a brand new video, and today. And we're going to be fitting some spotlights into Curtis's house. Now, this project's been going for like 2 years, but we wired the spotlights and we drew the dimensions on the wall. And there's about 56 spotlights going in here. So you're going to have to wish us luck. Have you still got a picture on your phone? Yeah. We're working off a picture on our phone with some rough measurements. So hopefully, fingers crossed, everything goes to plan. And it's not my house, it's his house anyways. Yeah, let's go. We got these lights. Can I show them, Kit? Right, they are lap, so I know, lap end known to be the greatest brand, but these do seem decent, and they got functions. We changed the color temperature and the option for the plugs, so you can plug them in and out, and we have picked up a couple of spares as well. So yeah, decent lights, just hopefully they last long. But yeah, so just join us on having an absolute nightmare. Do you want to come and say anything? Stop being shy, right? Come on. It's your house. Just tell him. Show him the picture. Show him the picture. Oh, we'll get a crack in a minute. He's camera shy.
First things first.
I think we start off just where we know where one light is going to be the easiest.
Just one light for then.
So yeah, you whipped this in, didn't you?
That's in between two.
I didn't put that in. Using the lights with the plugs on, it's just like if you're going to a house and it's like a first fix, you can go in there. You can actually connect up your lights, and when the plaster is done. Sometimes they will cut them out for you. I have had them where they have and some won't. But even if you've got to go back, all you've got to do then is plug it in. So your job's kind of done anyway. So I much prefer using the lights with the plugs. And if you're testing as well, you just unplug them all, happy days. So yeah, let's cut the first one. Is that also all right? I told him, make sure you got all the oil saws ready. He knew this, like, yeah, got it all. Rings me out 2 minutes before I'm here. Oh, have you got a 71 mil also? I've only got a 76, but it looks like it fits anyway, doesn't it?
I'll do a bit.
Have you got an arbor?
Yes.
Sorry, yeah, we're sorted. So we'll chuck you down now and just watch this disaster happen. I say start from this wall.
No, we're going off where we started on you.
Oh. Oh, I just want to show the camera as well. Look at this, how much plaster's out. Look at that. I can fit 2 sockets in there. You aren't going to worry about USB ones around here if you want USB ones in your kit. Yeah. Start off the bathroom because that looks right there. I'd say start off here.
For some reason though, we didn't measure off the back and the back.
Yeah, we did. Mm-hmm. Yeah, it'd be 926, wouldn't it?
It'd be 1105, yeah? Got to be 1105.
Oh, yeah.
Or it'd be 96.
This is the drawing that we're going off.
We're just going to take my picture.
No, you are
No, you are.
There. So that is the drawing. I might even try and get it popped up on screen.
Okay.
It's our own fault. It is partly my fault as well. I will say that. I'll hold my hands up. But Curtis is electrician. I need to point that out there soon as well.
No, I'm pretty sure you mentioned in other videos I'm not an electrician anymore because I do maintenance.
True. Right, I'm going to chuck you on a time lapse now while we try and mark up some of these lights and we'll see if they right. Fingers crossed. So we got our first light, and now you're watching a maintenance electrician use a tape measure.
1790.
I've never heard that number before, so why are we saying that now? 1790.
Yeah.
I know we look like rookies here. We're not, I promise. We've just made a few mistakes. A plasterer has taken all our measurements off by like this much. So after about 20 minutes of arguing, we finally got pencil to the ceiling and made our first mark with a lot of arguing and a lot of back and forth with numbers. But we finally got there, and as you can see, Curtis is looking very confused at that mark, but it is what it is, but we did get there in the end. Right, so we've pretty much got our first bits going now, so it should be easier. You can't really see the marks. We got the 2 down here done and the 1 over there, and it should be symmetrical now through going behind us. And then we did measure it So it went equal that way as well, didn't it? So all kind of went in like
the gap off the wall is going to be different.
on that bottom end. That's where you have your cabinets, innit? So yeah, fingers crossed. Actually going right now. We've got this set up. So we'll crack on. We'll chuck you on a time lapse, getting all these marked out, and then the fun begins when we drilling them out and see if we've hit the cables. So yeah. I don't want to teach you how to suck eggs now, but if you are ever doing spotlights, just make sure you take as many pictures as you can and write down as many dimensions as you can. Because when you come to do it, it does cause an headache, and we didn't rush it when we do it. We thought, yeah, that'll be all right. And now we're coming to do it, we should have probably took more pictures, shouldn't we? But yeah, these gone in. It's like the walls are slightly out. It's like a lot of people will go off the wall to see, like they want to measure. So the lights won't be aligned, but it'll be level with the wall, if that makes sense. And some people like it, they want their lights completely straight, but it'll look off with the wall. So it's kind of always personal preference. But in this case, we're just trying to keep all the lights symmetrical, and the wall is what the wall is at the end of the day. In an ideal world, the wall should be all straight, but real world, it's not. So yeah, we got these 6 marked out now. We're gonna carry on. I think we got like another 6 there, or possibly 4, and then we're going up into the hallway. So there is quite a few. And obviously, because this is a downstairs area and there's living space above, we've got fire rated downlights. That's so important now. There's not many sold that are not fire rated, but always make sure that you install fire rated downlights. Right, so it's all marked out now, the moment of truth. The only issue we got is steels, and Kurt decided to whip in a cable here for his breakfast bar. It's basically coming out here, so you wanted one above it. So it's the only thing that's going to throw everything off. But if he gets like a nice fancy light, you know, where they drop down onto the breakfast bar, it'd be fine. And that one up there, you ain't going to see it. There's a little pencil mark. It's quite close to stairs, but it'll go with everything else in here, so it'll look fine. And lastly, this back wall's got cupboards going on it, so we've taken them into consideration. So make sure you check out if you're doing spotlights in the kitchen. You don't want to be measuring off a wall, you want to be measuring off the cabinets to make sure it goes. So our end of the light is by here, and obviously the cabinet's going to come out to about like here, so it'll look even. So yeah, we're going to start drilling now, so we'll keep this on camera and you can see whether it goes to plan or whether it doesn't. What confidence you got in it? Out of 10. Rate, give me a take the mic. Drop your confidence.
60%.
Well, 1 out of 10, you've got 60%.
That's what you said, out of 10?
Yeah.
About a 4.
A 4?
Or 6 would actually work out 60%. 6. 6 out of 10.
Well, I'm actually going to go for 80%. I'm quite confident. Yeah. So let's give it a go. So, you know, like on like TikTok and all, you see like, well, gym women pop up on my TikTok and they're like, hey guys, I'm back now. And they're like, sit out like that and all. You see an hand holding the mic like this? No. Just me. So yeah, he's going to let me do you can take also out of that D-volt drill now. Get them no, I'm not you. Get them a tab on it now. I'll get ripped to shreds. Hey, my tabo.
Why is it beeping at me?
Oh, it's maybe the battery.
Why is it beeping? My battery is dead, mate.
Just unplug it, plug it back in.
Well, the battery?
It's actually dead, yeah.
Yeah.
I'll get another battery. We'll be back now. Alright, I'm using a D-Volt. Matabo, if you're watching, I've been made to use this, right? It's not my choice.
Spend him out.
It's a double board, is it?
No. Are you still drilling?
Oh, no, we're good, we're good.
There we go. Where's the cables?
There's a joist right there as well, but I think our lights are small enough for...
Yeah, they are.
Hold that a sec. So, we won't put a light right on a joist though. So, let's get the super rods out. Oh my god, that's close to a joist that side as well.
Yeah, no, it was anyway.
Fishing around, doing a reach around.
Yeah.
No. Have you got your phone camera set? I feel like we would have pinned it to this joist. Can't be far away. Oh, let's get a super rod camera out now.
Oh, it's right on the middle of a joist.
Yeah.
Oh, we're like that. Who's next to a joist?
That's what I say no, but at least
But I've cross-patterned the ceiling on mine. Also. And I've insulated it.
How do I get a torch on this?
You just want the torch?
Yeah. Well, I'm the camera torch. Record like. Samsung, you use everything that's just
Fucking
backwards.
shut up.
Samsung, Downlight.
See our line on the joist? Where we marked it?
Where?
There, straight ahead of you.
Oh yeah, so it's got to be there somewhere then, hasn't it?
Get
Oh,
your
we ain't far away, eh?
No, get your fingers up there, boy.
So it's got to be our way then.
I'd say it's this side of it. James.
Oh, well,
I'd say it's this side of it.
not for... What, towards you?
That way. Oh, that side of the joist.
Oh, do you reckon?
Yeah, definitely. And back that way a little bit.
No. Have you got... No, let's get a super rod camera out. It'd be good to show But yeah, watch your tiles, man. Right, we're going to get a super rod camera out and show you why it's good anyway. This is not, like, I'm not being paid to show you this, but it's a perfect scenario why you would use it. Right, so if you haven't seen it before, this is the super cam. And you get all like different attachments to it, and it obviously attaches to all your rod sets as well. So what I'm going to do is screw a hook onto the front of it, so we'll be able to grab the cable when it's up here. Hopefully, should be here. So that'll be like that. Then we'll screw that onto there. Don't panic about it, it will be fine.
Yeah, but we're only looking here because it's cross-patterned. In the other room, it isn't cross-patterned.
So yeah, that's the contraption, and you can bend it and stuff, and put all different attachments to it. So let's get this turned on and we can show you it on the phone then. Right, so we're just getting it connected to Kurt's phone. I usually do on my phone, but obviously I'm recording on it. Yeah, there it is. Yeah, it connects to his own Wi-Fi. For something, I don't know, apparently it's better connection than Bluetooth. I don't really understand all that, but go on to it. Super cam. There we go. So then Kurt will have that now, and the camera, you're gonna have to try and do both at once and record it.
There it is.
Oh, I can see it, yeah.
Yeah, the plaster has wrapped it around itself.
Alright, so you're showing the camera that now?
Yep.
So as you can see, like, let's have a look at it as well, so I can see. Oh, is it dying, is it?
Yeah.
Fuming.
Yeah.
Why would he do that? Oh my god, the plaster has killed us here and it's dead as well. Yeah, so it is a good bit of kit if you've got it charged and all like me, but yeah, obviously the plaster has killed us here, so hopefully we ain't got that issue all the time now. We'll get this on charge. But yeah, it is a good bit of kit, so if you do want one, go find out. Like I said, I've not been paid to promote that. So yeah, it's got us out the shit there really, haven't it? I tell you what I could do with, oh no, it's proper wrapped around though, isn't it? So I can't even hook it. Why is he done that? How did you just get your hand up in here?
Come on, then, but I won't put your hand in with the watch on, obviously.
Yeah. Oh, that's it now. That's that guy just.
Is it above the insulation?
No, I don't think it was it?
It should all be.
Can I write down as apprentice kit? Got my hand stuck above the ceiling. You got it? Ah, oh, my guy. Where's the rest of it?
It's there. I need to unwrap it.
There it is. Yes. Is that not the best feeling ever or what? Bloody hell. No wonder where all my cables gone. Yeah.
Ta-da.
Go on, give us a smile then, you grumpy idiot. There you go. Yes! Right, so we've got the first one done now, so we're just going to crack on and get some more done. I'll chuck you on a time lapse and hopefully the rest goes to plan. So to be fair, it's actually gone really well. We've hit the nail on the head on every single one. I even bet Kurt, I'm going to upload on the TikTok, if he drilled the light and he got it down within, what was it, 10 seconds? Yeah. I'll buy him a pint, and I doubled on nothing and he did it again. So I owe him now 2 pints today. But yeah, it's gone good. Wow, if I just drink a stick, Kurt. So look, you got your arms stuck in the ceiling with no cable. Ah.
Right, got one.
Yeah, so it's gone really well. We got them all in, as you can see. Some behind us, then got to drag them in. We got to get one more in there. And that's pretty much it. And we can connect them up then, can't we? We'll have a race then. Triple or nothing. If I beat you in a race, right, get as many lights done, you can buy me 2 pints. So it looks like I did jinx it because we can't find it. I'll try and find the one in this one now. I don't know why we ever doubted ourselves, Kurt.
1 week later.
It's always the last ones, isn't it? Oh, you've got those two. So yeah, it literally is the last one. Look at Kurt rocking the Klein Freshie. Jeez! Is that fast or what? Fast. I gotta steep these tools up.
Yeah, my main tools in.
You've got about 3 tools in your kit.
My main tools are in work.
Oh, they? It's weird, isn't it? It's like it's
a big cable there.
yeah, it's probably one of the 2.5s, isn't it? We're getting the camera back out. We've resorted back to the camera. Let's go fishing.
The lift up?
Yeah, I think that's the cable that's.
No, it's like up in the air, like.
Oh, wait.
Go back where you just was. Point it up and left. No, it's just a pencil mark on the logo.
Yeah, so that's our cable runs that way, innit? So it's gotta come from our way, look. Kurt's having a go now. We're in a bit of a pickle here, aren't we? Right, so we got it in now. It was just stuck on a clip. Kurt just got angry and Hulk smash, pulled it, and it come through. So all these are in now. We've just got to concentrate on the hallway, and then happy days. So it'll just be connected left to two ends. So yeah, it has gone well. Quite lucky. Well, I say lucky. Skilled is what we should say, shouldn't we? So yeah, happy days. We are done. Well, we're not done. It's Sunday. All the holes are cut out. I just swallowed some dust or something. Let's try again. We are done. It's all in now. All the holes are drilled. We've done the hallway. This spaghetti junction is for fire alarm, which he's gonna have to move a bit further into there. The hallway lights are done. So yeah, it's just connecting now. We're not doing it today. It's a Sunday. I can't be bothered. Kurt can't be bothered. So we're knocking it on the head and we'll connect these up another day. But yeah, it's a bit of a different video. I'm not gonna edit this one too much. So if you did enjoy it, just hit the like button, subscribe and comment. And yeah, that's how we do spotlights. Ish. You know, nah, no serious. If you're ever doing spotlights, make sure you triple check your measurements, write them down, keep them on your phone. There's apps that like, I think Yepic, I use it now and again, where it'll store the pictures you take at certain jobs. If you come back to it, you can just load the app up and at that job, you'll have those photos. So make sure you just write all your measurements down for your spotlights. And it's not too bad. It went a lot better than what we thought was going to happen anyway. So yeah, we'll connect these up another day now. We've got a lot of set fixes to do, all the sockets. So yeah, quite pleased how that turned out. So thank you for watching.